Where?
Hello guys! How are you today? I hope you're feeling good because today we're going to do something fun but also meaningful. Now, before we start, I want you to think like a scientist. You already know that oil and water are immiscible, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
That means they don't mix.
Excellent! So here's my question for you. If they don't mix, why will this experiment create movement like a lava lamp?
Maybe because of gas.
How about the others? Is it interesting?
Yeah.
Alright, that's okay. Just observe, think, and explain. Today you're the scientist. Alright, guys, so what do we need for this experiment?
We need water,
Okay,
oil,
oil.
food coloring, maybe cups and spoon, and maybe effervescent tablet.
Okay, so we need water, oil, food coloring, and effervescent tablet. Good. So, all right, let's start. What is the first step? Who wanna tell me what is the first step?
Pour the water into the cup.
Oh, all right. Good job, Dafa.
Water.
Okay.
And then we're gonna pour it in the cup.
Okay. Be careful. All right. Okay, enough. I think we're gonna separate it into two. So, guys, what is the next step?
We add oils and it forms two layers.
Oh, really? Could you please add the oil? Please. One bowl for one. Okay, full. Okay, again. So Farhan, I'm gonna ask you, why it forms two layers?
Because oil and water are immiscible and oil is less dense.
Oh, I see. All right, Azlan, could you tell me please what is the next step?
Now we add the food coloring.
All right. Which one do you choose, the green one or the orange one?
The red one.
That's not red, that's orange. Alright, let's. Okay, enough. Okay, could you please mix it? Alright, so could you tell me what do you observe?
So it goes down through the oil and it mix with the water below.
Alright, good, excellent. Alright, Chloe, could you tell me why does it sink?
Because it is a water base.
Alright, good job. So Lex, could you tell me the last step of lava lamp?
Just put the tablet on.
Okay, could you please put it
Okay.
Pour it for all of it.
1, 2, 3, drop it. Oh.
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 Oh, it's bubbling. It's moving up.
Oh, wow. That looks like a lava.
Oh, like
Another side.
pinggir banget deh.
Give again.
Yeah.
Give it. One more.
Yeah.
Wow.
Second.
Yeah, in the center. Oh. Wow. Oh.
Turn off the lamp.
So everyone, who wanna describe it scientifically? All right. Carme, could you describe it?
So the tablet goes into contact with the water and they produce carbon dioxide.
All right. right, and then Yoga, maybe wanna continue the explanation?
The gas bubble attached to the colored water and push it upward.
Okay, good job. All right, Farhan, could you tell me then why does it fall down again?
When the bubbles reach the top, the gas escape.
Okay, good job. So, Chloe, can you continue?
The color water becomes heavy again and falls down.
All right, good job. Can you make it conclusion of this experiment?
The tablet produces carbon dioxide gas, which pushes the color water up, and the gas escape. It falls down again.
All right, good. So guys, that was excellent. You didn't just watch the experiment, but you explain it scientifically. All right. So everyone, is this magic or science? All right. Thank you. Bye.